And Sreekanth also would like to share. Let me bring it on. So New Year is what a
Happy
new
New Year
year.
to yes, Happy New Year to everyone. And as stated by yesterday, I lose almost 7 kgs in 64 days. Okay, it's an awesome feeling, and it's a good amount of energy has also been brought into picture. And I want to tell the 4 important points about the FUME. Okay, for the newcomers.
Yeah.
First thing is that an excellent diet plan. Okay, which actually matters to everyone. Like picking one item from the 5, okay, which actually no dietitian, like no, last time I took from the Apollo hospital, you can't get that type of things. Okay, you need to pick a one item from the 5 and juices and everything. I think there's nothing, because I'm happy to say that I could able to get pani puri also twice a week. Okay, which actually this is also, everything is a mind game. Okay, if you have everything in picture in your plate, okay, you feel that you doesn't have you're not scarving or you're not doing anything, you're missing something. Okay? That's first thing. And the second thing is the excellent day plan, day workout, okay, which I could not see in any of the plans like Healthy Me, nothing is there. Day workout, day 1, day 2, day 3 and all. Okay. And third is excellent community we have. Okay. People posting pictures like Manish, Devendra, everyone is posting pictures. So it keeps on motivating others. Okay. So whom are sitting, then you just see, someone is doing something I need to do. Okay. That actually matters a lot.
Absolutely.
And fourth important thing is like you used to share a weekly videos of 1 minute or so, which shows get out of diseases and coming to the receipts of detoxification and all. Actually, it all matters a lot. Okay? And it's very good, awesome feeling, and it's a good thing. And most important thing to the newcomers is that the only thing you need to think is that just remove the word excuses, okay, from your this thing, which actually matters a lot. And one more thing is it is not easy. Okay, it's not easy. You need to be disciplined and do the hard working. Okay, nothing comes without hard work. Okay, so this is what I want to convey now. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much, Sreekanth, and you have very well said all the points which are important and very, very contributing factor in your success.